Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to remove the mirror switch. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. Little pocket screwdriver or flat-edge screwdriver, and you're going to pop this cover off. Just reach in there and give it a pry, and then we can set that aside. And you can see there's a little screw in there. It's got a Torx bed head to it, and it's a T20. Take that out. Now just pry on this casing, and it'll pop right out. Now you can reveal the actual. This is the mirror adjuster button. So we're going to take that connector off. Down below here, there's a little clip. Push in on that pin. So let's see if I can see it. Maybe I'll get this side first. So here is your little mini speaker. Take that clip, push in on the pin, pull that clip, the connector out. Now we have the actual door handle itself cable. So this handle for the exterior, this is the interior door handle cable, and it releases the latch. So it's basically, it just slides right in. There's no clips, there's no screws. So pull up on the cable end, and it comes right out. So you can see how it goes in. It slides right in like that, and clicks down. To release, pull up, and there you go. So now we can see the actual connector on this side. Take a small screwdriver. So now we have our handle bezel in our hands. And we can see that we have our mini speaker and our rear view mirror switch. Now to pop that out, you can see the two metal tabs. Just grab one tab, push it in. Push the other tab in. Now to install the switch, if you got a new one, just reverse procedure, slide through, let it click into place. So that slides down right in there like that, and then clicks in. Connect our little tweeter speaker. Connect our window controller, mirror control, sorry. There we go. Slide that all back in there. T20. Line it up. Tighten it down. Now I want to make sure my handle works. So I'm going to act like a door latch and lock it with a little pressure on it. I know my handle works. Now I don't have it all bolted down yet because I made sure that my handle works. Now I'm going to make sure that my mirror adjuster works. Other side, yep. So it's all good. Turn the key off, and I can tighten it all down. It's got 3 lineups. One at 3 o'clock, 12, and 6. Snap it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.